Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start with Essentials, a recent Android Studio and an Android SDK that matches your target. Create a Firebase project and register your Android package name so Firebase can identify your app. Once done, download Google Services. JSON and drop it into the app/module. Make sure the file is in the module root. Then add the Google Services class path and apply plugin in the project and module build. Gradle files so Gradle can process Firebase configuration during build. Next, add Firebase dependencies using the Firebase bill of materials to keep versions consistent. Include only what you need like Auth, Firestore, or Analytics. Sync Gradle and resolve any dependency conflicts. Enable multidex and adjust min SDK if your method count exceeds limits. Then initialize Firebase programmatically in application. On Create, with Firebase app. Initialize app, so services are ready before activities run. This ensures correct lifecycle startup and prevents null service references when you call Firebase APIs later. Finally, build and run your app. Look at Logcat for Firebase initialization messages and confirm Auth or Firestore calls succeed. Use Firebase console debug view or explicit logging to verify events and sign-in flows. This confirms that data reaches Firebase. If things fail, first check package name and SHA-1 fingerprints match the Firebase app. Ensure Google Services. JSON is current, and add internet permission in Android manifest. XML. If persistent errors appear, clear app data, reinstall, and resync Gradle to force fresh config.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.